watakusort out. Ndomi. Teamwork. That's a time. It's not a time. It's on fire to go for the parents when they are good here. Team blue, team white. Courtesy of Wirorere International. So for the house leaders, prepare the kids who will be doing winter racing. For now, it's parents and teachers race.
My name is Wilberforce Isadia Kidavi, the school principal, Wirorere International School. This is our third sports day. We do it annually. So this year we are voicing collaboration. We want to see our young leaders collaborate well through sports, coordinate well through sports. We also want to create a culture of win-win whenever they are having issues, so that they can solve them. So as you can see from the way they are playing, actually they are bonding and trying to also have that culture of win-win situation. Another thing maybe attached to this event is that we are in the era of competency-based curriculum, and as well we are also doing Cambridge curriculum, and these sports are bringing what we call collaboration between the two curriculums and collaboration between our young leaders. So thank you, and feel free to watch our games. So if you are wondering, you would get to know that we are doing much of field events and track events. A good thing, and Wirorere International School, we are starting to try and coach and have these talents as young as in play group, year 3, from what you've seen. We believe that if we start and do all that is necessary to our learners when they are still young, we actually cultivate these sporting activities. So we want them, as they are learning, to grow and grow their talents as well. And we want to see them young leaders prospering. And just to mention, we've had champions coming from this school in swimming, in skating, and in track events as we speak. As a country, I think we are still behind in terms of nurturing talents. But at Wirorere, I want to say that yes, we've had challenges like preparing these young learners. For us to reach where we are now, we've had to practice the whole year. But you need resources, you need coaches. Those are some of the challenges we do face. You also need enough capital to ensure that you plan for such events. So as a government, I think we are lagging behind in terms of nurturing talents. We are not yet there, but we hope with the new curriculum and what we've started at Wirorere International School, the government will follow suit and ensure that talents are being nurtured.
You, not just for your accomplishment, but for the impact you have had on our community and country as a whole. You are our mashujaa. Ladies and gentlemen, this year's Mashujaa Day celebrations are centered around the theme Bomayangu, housing the nation, empowering the future. Housing is more than just shelter. It is a fundamental human right, recognized as part of the rights to an adequate standard of living. That's in accordance to Article 25 and of the 1948 Universal Declaration of the Human Rights, and further enshrined in Article 11.1 of 1966 International Covenant on Economic, Social, and Cultural Rights. As articulated by United Inhabitants, adequate housing is a cornerstone of human dignity protected under international human rights law. Nyomba kana vandu va gutura ni haki yaku. Tafadhali wageno korona nyomba mbega na family yaku. In the Embu County, we have embraced this vision by partnering with the national government through the affordable housing program to catalyze economic recovery and growth. By linking micro, small and medium enterprises, MSMEs, and the Juakali sector to these housing projects, we are creating jobs and stimulating local industries. In the first phase of the affordable housing program, Embu County government created over 200 new jobs and secured contracts for local Juakari artisans to supply fittings, windows, and doors, made possible through the private sector engagement framework and a County Juakari Memorandum of Understanding. That's MOU. And I'm sure Zebra was here, who is the chairman of Juakari. Nasema ukweli ama naongea tu story yangu? Asante sana. Ameconfirm tuko sawa sawa. Watu wengi sana wameweza kupata ajira katika hiyo program ya housing. Kupitia ile mkataba tumeweka sisi na watu wa Juakali, and we shall continue creating job opportunities to our Juakali sector and other youth. Gatune ule onakena watumaga tugetuma bus park ya Runyenje. Gatune angadwai kuwa na ile bogi nyingine, si ni kweli? We shall ensure that you are getting opportunity anytime we get. Hello, ladies and gentlemen. Ninakuona British no ninakuona. Ladies and gentlemen, Embu County is currently in phase 2 of the AHP, developing 100 housing units. That's affordable housing, including 20 studios, 41 bedroom units, and 42 bedroom units. In phase 2, the plan is to increase this number to 400 units in Embu town, with the future phases expanding to Runyenjes, Chicago, Ciana, and Kiretiri. The country has already secured over 23 acres of land for the projects, ensuring a solid foundation for future growth. Ladies and gentlemen, in addition to our notable achievements in this housing sector, we are making notable strides across various areas of governance. I would like to take a moment to highlight some of the key initiatives that have been instrumental in sustaining these positive momentum and driving our country forward. 1. Financed economic planning. Revenue correction. In our continued effort to meet and exceed our annual revenue targets, I am pleased to report that for the year mwaka wa thirikari 2023-2024, which ended in June, Embu County